to my channel. It's me, Raiza Contawi, and today we are going to do a tutorial of CL because she recently came out to sing sa Singapore for MTV, and everybody has been talking about her new figure, and I say that whatever happens to her, she's still beautiful. Ang tagal na since the last CL tutorial, so I'm very excited na gawin ngayon yung look niya. Kahit na alam ko na medyo pareho lang naman yung makeup niya, it just excites me to know na gagawin ko ulit yung look niya. And so to start, I already did my base, my moisturizer, and my sunblock. It's foundation time. So, yung face niya kasi talagang maputi and talagang dewy. But since medyo yung color ko iba sa kanya, so medyo titimplahin ko na lang yung kulay. But I'm going to use this Clio Professional Kill Cover liquid Founwear cushion. This is actually the refill for the cushion, pero gagamitin ko siya straight from the bottle. And this NYX Total Control na drop foundation. So, I'm going to mix a little bit of this with this para ma-achieve lang yung color ko. But this is parang dewy, kind of dewy. So, ito yung magpapalabas ng very CL vibe na face. After blending the foundation on the face, I will not set it with powder yet. However, I will set those parts na medyo okay na, like the brow area at saka dito sa lid area. So with that, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in 220. And I'm just going to I'm going to lightly dust this on my brow area and on my, dito sa gitna, sa forehead area. For the brows naman, doon tayo sa medyo manipis. It's not totally straight, it's slightly arched. So, yun ang gagawin natin. I'm going to use this Pinkies eyebrow pencil. And it's my first time using this, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'm going to try. So again, let's just draw that. And ang susundin ko actually yung sa taas. Since nga kailangan ko ng medyo arched na brows. There. And as I draw that, I will keep on combing my hair or my brow strands with a spoolie because ayoko ng anything na harsh on the brows. This pencil is surprisingly pigmented. So what I'm going to do is just blend the rest with the spoolie because kapag nilagay ko siya dito sa beginning of the brows, kapag directly apply ko yung pencil, masyadong kukulay. So gagawin ko, yung spoolie na lang ang ipang-diffuse ko. My brows are complete and now we're moving on to the eyes. And as you may know, CL is known for those really dark, smoky eyes. And so we are going to try to achieve that. And I'm going to use this iMagic Professional Cosmetics 16 color eyeshadow palette. And this is pretty. May lumipad. Ang interesting na shades at napakaganda naman talaga. Tapos, ano pa to? Kahit pa paano, pigmented siya sa swatching. Hindi ko lang alam kasi first time ko siyang itatry sa eyes ko ngayon. Pero maganda to kasi meron siyang black, meron siyang browns, may matte shades siya, tsaka meron siyang metallic shades or satin shades. Kaya ang gagawin ko muna, ilalagay ko itong, ano bang pwedeng mailagay? Ito, this one. I'm just going to place this all over my lids and then I will just build the colors as we go. It's just always nice na merong base color talaga para maganda yung transition ng kulay. Using the same brush, I'm going to use this color. This is bold. At ilalagay ko siya dito sa outer corner of the eyes. Comment below your favorite song of CL. Ako, yung Hello Bitches, for sure. At saka, Lifted. At saka Dr. Pepper.
Hey, you, get off my cloud. You don't know me and you don't know my style. Getting lifted, never come down. Getting lifted.
Oh, so this is the base color. And bago tayo pumunta dun sa mga finishing touches like the copper shade or yung bronze shade, maglalagay muna ako ng black eyeliner because mas madaling tapusin yung eyeshadow kapag nalagay na yung eyeliner. Kasi nga, medyo makapal ang eyeliner natin, ano? So, uunahin ko muna itong gel liner by L'Oreal Infallible. And para naman doon sa pinaka parang liner talaga, parang pang top, gagamitin ko tong Avon na big graphic liquid eyeliner. First, gel liner because madali itong masmudge. And what I'm going to do is, I am going to just create the guide. The key here is to look straight and to just connect it. And it's going to be a very thick liner. And then using a brush, I'm just going to smudge it. Yan. So, kahit hindi na malagyan itong loob, okay lang because dyan natin ilalagay yung liquid eyeliner. And then here, okay lang din because papatungan naman natin siya ng eyeshadow. So, dito, i-correct na natin to at buburahin na natin tong sumobra. So, I'm going to use a brush and then with the same foundation kanina, ang gagawin ko, smudge ko lang siya, kakoveran ko lang siya. Ngayon, balik tayo dun sa eyeshadow palette and kukunin ko na tong black. And ipapatong ko na siya doon sa gel eyeliner. This way, medyo diffused yung edges nung eyeliner. And that way as well, makakabukas siya ng eyes kaysa sa sobrang isasarado niya since black nga siya. And now, the liquid eyeliner from Avon. Ipapatong na natin siya doon sa pinaka-base. This is nice because the applicator is already shaped for you to achieve that thick liner. So, parang chiseled ang dating niya. Kaya kahit beginner lang kayo sa liner, madali niyong ma-achieve yung shape. And the reason why liquid eyeliner yung ipanglalagay ko doon sa waterline or doon sa lash line mismo is that mas black kasi yung liquid. Or dapat nga parang mas gel pero or yung parang gel na talagang nasa pot, hindi yung gel na pencil. But as you can see, this one is really good kasi mas black siya. So, maganda yung blending, maganda yung transition. And then, ayan na yung applicator. Medyo itilt ko lang and then isi-shape ko yung eyeliner. And then, connect it back. And lastly, on the lid, I am going to apply this parang copper shade right here para magkaroon lang ng konting, accent. And use the same gel liner to color the waterline. Kapag successful kayo sa eyes, halos wala na kayong iintindihin kasi wala naman ang gagawin sa mukha kung hindi konting contouring na lang and then lips. Tapos, false eyelashes na lang din. So, gagawin ko lang yung kabilang mata ko and I'll be right back. After the eyes, I changed my mind and hindi ko na isaset yung mukha ko with powder. I'm going straight to contouring. And of course, since hindi ko pa nasiset ng powder ang aking mukha, mag-cream contouring muna ako. And I want to try this product. This is from Tom Ford. This is their shade and Illuminate because meron siyang pang-gloss ng skin right here. And then, ito naman yung contouring. So, what I'm going to do is just lightly contour my nose. And then, ito, ikakalat ko siya sa buong pisngi ko. Kasi talagang para siyang lip gloss sa buong muka. So, ang gagawin ko, dito muna tayo. Contour lang tayo ng very light dito sa gilid. And don't forget the cheek area just a little bit. Just blend it with the brush. Ang ganda nito. Hindi siya muddy. Wow, the blendability of this contour palette is so good. Or this duo. And then, ang gagamitin kong blush, yung lipstick mamaya. And then, ang gagawin ko muna, ilalagay ko muna ito. And then, dito ko siya ilalagay sa gitna. Hindi siya parang strobing highlighter. Talagang parang babasain niya lang yung mukha. Parang ganun yung effect niya. Ganyan, no? Medyo lalangisan ko talaga tong mukha ko. Kasi ganun talaga yung niya, yung makeup niya. Talagang sobrang dewy. For some reason, parang nag-automatic matte yung mukha ko. Ewan ko kung bakit. And then, on the lips, ang gagamitin ko, itong Club Clio ulit na Rouge Matte. And super cool nito. Parang tingnan nyo. Oh. Tapos, ito na yung lipstick niya. And super nice tignan. Lalain ko lang yung lips. Sobrang dali lang talaga. Ah! Medyo pink pa siya, so nag-ready ako ng mas nude. Kailangan ko talaga ng mas nude na kulay. Ito, meron pa dito, 08. Pero parang matingkad din siya. Pero mukhang mas okay. Try natin. Better. Sobrang pigmented nito. Ooh. And as what I mentioned, a little on the cheeks. Para lang magkaroon ng depth yung cheeks. Tapos, doon naman sa kabila, just pat it with your finger. Buhok na lang ang aayusin ko. And we're done. Well, here's the look, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to get subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below. Yes, if you are a CL fan, let me know in the comment section below. If you're a Blackjack, let me know in the comment section below. If you're into body empowerment, let me know in the comment section below and give this a like and share it to your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on the next vlog. Annyeong! Bye!